Hi guys! So Moomoo has introduced the Cash Plus feature for its app. So now it's possible to convert the remaining cash in your Moomoo Trust account to a money market fund so you could get better interest or profit rate. So if you want to know more about that, then stick around. So surprisingly, Moomoo does not give any interest to the remaining cash in its trust account. So if you just bought Sharia compliant shares, interestingly, your Moomoo account will be Sharia compliant. But I don't think they have marketed the app as such. Of course, if you are a conventional investor, this work well for you too. Except usually for a conventional brokerage, they would normally give interest on the remaining cash in your account. But fret not, now that Moomoo has introduced its Cash Plus feature, then now you have the option to either invest the remaining cash in Sharia compliant money market fund or the conventional money market fund. This is especially helpful if you are looking at the market and it looks like it's getting bearish, or if recession has set in, then you would have the option to invest your money in money market fund with more stable return. The only downside that I can think of to this option is that the buying and the selling process would take about 5 business days. So you can count on converting back your money market fund to cash in case if you spot an opportunity in the market. So I think they would really need to figure out on how to make the process faster. Anyway guys, to buy the money market fund is quite easy. You just need to tap on the discover menu, and then you just need to go to wealth, and here are the available money market fund. You got the United Money Market Fund, so that's a conventional fund, and I think the rate there is per annum, so it's at 3.69%, so that's not too bad. And then you've got the Maybank Retail Money Market Fund, which is a Sharia compliant one, and the profit rate is about 3.36%. And lastly, you've got the United USD Cash Fund, which is a conventional money market fund, and it offers an interest rate of about 4.84%. So that's quite high. So if you want to buy the money market fund, it's quite simple really. You just need to tap on the menu there. So down here it says you can subscribe, meaning you can buy the fund. So once I have clicked on the subscribe there, I just need to put the amount of money that I want to convert from my cash account. But unfortunately, at the moment, I don't have any more cash in my trust fund, so I'm not able to add to my money market fund. And if you want to look at the details of the fund, you can just go back. So you can look at the summary of the fund. And it would give you all the details, and you can also check the fact sheet or the product highlight sheet if you want to know where the money is invested in. So for this particular money market fund, it also pays dividend, and the frequency is monthly, I think. So if you are into conventional money market fund, you can choose this United USD Cash Fund. So that's the yield chart. So the yield is about 4.84, which is not too bad. Similarly, you can click on the summary if you want to look for further details. So this one, the dividend is quarterly, and you can also look at its product highlight sheet or the fact sheet. Alright guys, after you have bought your money market fund, it would appear in your account after like 5 business days. So you just need to go to fund to look at it. So right now I have the Maybank Retail Money Market Fund, and that's the return so far. So if I want to sell and convert back this to cash, I just need to tap on the icon there, and I just need to click on redeem. But I haven't done it so far, but I think the money would be returned to my Trust Cash account. So guys, that's the new Moomoo Cash Plus feature. So I find this feature to be helpful in case if the market turn bearish, or I could also use this feature to hold any profit that I've made from selling stocks. I could put the profit in money market fund and then just use the principal to buy back shares. Anyway guys, here's my current total asset at Moomoo. I have about 979 ringgit now. I started with 1000 ringgit, so I'm experiencing some loss there. And if I want to look at the breakdown of my asset, I just need to tap here. So currently I have 0% in cash and about 70% in stocks and about 30% of the asset in money market fund. For the stocks, here's my current holding. I have MBSB, so that's at a loss right now because I bought it at 82 cent and a half, and now the current price is only at 80 cent and a half. And for FGV, I'm in the green at the moment because I bought it at 1 ringgit 16 cent, and the current price is at 1 ringgit 19 cent. And for Farm Fresh Berhad, I bought it at 1 ringgit 56 cent, and the current price is at 1 ringgit 55 cent. So that's basically my stock portfolio at the moment. And like I've shown you earlier, the rest is in money market fund. Alright guys, that's all for this episode of my vlog. Don't forget to like, to comment and to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.